AI is everywhere, isn't it? I mean, we hear about it constantly.
All the time, yeah.
But how do we actually, move past the headlines and start using it? Like for real results, daily life, maybe business?
Exactly. That's what this deep dives is about. Think of it as a shortcut to practical, actionable AI knowledge.
Okay, good. So what are we covering?
We'll look at platforms, how to talk to these things, prompting techniques, and some real-world projects, stuff showing real results from LLMs, large language models, and image generation too.
Getting hands-on.
That's the goal. Equip you with know-how you can use right away.
Great. And I know a lot of these insights come from Adam Grabar, right? An Amazon seller, founder of AdamAExpert.com. That's AIXPERT.com.
Yeah, Adam's doing some really interesting work.
He runs those live AI night classes, I hear. Wednesdays, 8 p.m. Eastern, like 1 hour packed with real tools, strategy.
Powerful stuff. It's very practical.
So if you want to learn AI or you're an Amazon seller needing that edge, you can email AdamAExpert@gmail.com to join. It sounds like a real community.
It is. Very focused on real-time learning, getting actual results. Anyway, one of the most striking things now is how fast you can go from just like an idea to actually making something.
Okay.
Like this thing called vibe coding.
Vibe coding. Okay, what's that?
It's basically just talking to an LLM, say Google AI Studios with Gemini. You just describe what you want in plain English.
No code.
No code needed from you. It generates the app code. It's really democratizing things. You don't need to be a programmer.
Wow. Okay. That is a big shift. And it's not just code, right? You mentioned visuals, Nano Banana?
Ah, yes. Nano Banana using Gemini 2.5 Flash. It's known for being incredibly fast at making images.
Right.
But the real breakthrough, I think, is keeping characters consistent when you edit the image.
Meaning
You can change the background or maybe the clothes, and the person still looks exactly like the same person. That's been tricky for AI.
Okay, that's huge for design work, iterating. But getting the AI to make what's in your head, that's the prompting part, isn't it? The art and science bit.
Absolutely. That's key. One useful trick is actually using ChatGPT to help you write better prompts for Gemini.
Using one AI to manage another.
Sort of, yeah. Optimize the instructions. And there's a kind of formula for images that works well. Subject, action, environment, art style, lighting, and details.
Like baking a cake. Need all the ingredients specified.
Exactly like that. The clearer you are, the better the result. And then there's negative prompting.
Telling it what not to do.
Precisely. Things like no blurry edges or, the classic no extra fingers. It sounds counterintuitive, maybe, but it really helps refine the output, focuses the creativity.
Okay, got it. Makes sense. Can we look at some examples like AI in action? Hervana sounded fun.
Oh, Hervana's great. The project Adam did with his daughter, an AI hair try-on app for a hairstylist friend.
Hair try-on?
Yeah. You upload your photo and bam, you can instantly see yourself with different styles, colors, lengths. It just shows how fast you can mock up creative ideas now.
That's a really cool practical use. What about for business? The Adam AI Expert Lifestyle app for Amazon sellers.
Right. That tackles the big pain point. Expensive lifestyle photos for products. Sellers upload their product image, and the AI puts it into all sorts of scenes, magazine spreads, outdoors, whatever. You can pick from suggestions or just describe what you want.
Instant professional photos. That's got to save a ton of money and time.
Huge. Absolutely huge.
Are there still things AI struggles with, like putting text on images for ads?
Oh, yeah. That's still a bit of a hurdle. Getting text overlays just right on AI images.
Right.
For like a polished ad. It's tricky. The placement, the look often needs a human touch still.
So work in progress there, but wow, the practical uses are just exploding, aren't they? It's kind of mind-blowing.
It really is.
And look, if you're listening and feeling inspired to jump in, remember AdamAExpert.com. That's AIIXPERT.com. Adam Grabar's live AI night classes are Wednesdays, 8 p.m. Eastern. Just email AdamAExpert@gmail.com to join the community. Real-time learning, real results.
And the whole ecosystem is evolving so fast. There's even something called the LLM Arena.
LLM Arena? What's that?
It's a free platform. You basically get two AI models, give them the same prompt, and vote on which one did better, like little AI battles.
So it crowdsources which models are performing best.
Exactly. Really interesting way to get a feel for the cutting edge. And it fuels this. Well, people call it an LLM arms race, especially with character limits.
How much text you can feed into it at once.
Right. You've got models like Claude hitting 1 million characters, GPT-5, maybe 400K. You could feed them whole books now, huge code bases. It means much longer, more complex chats without the AI, losing the thread.
That makes them way more useful for big tasks. And Amazon itself is building AI and for sellers.
Oh, yeah. Direct integration.
Yeah.
Suggesting listing titles, descriptions, bullet points. It's becoming part of the workflow. Saves time, could help visibility.
Very practical. What about looking further out? Google Labs Flow, video.
Yeah, Flow's experimental stuff. Text to video, turning existing frames into video, even in ingredients mode to combine things.
Sounds advanced.
It is, but it's early. Videos are super short, there are credit limits, no audio yet, still struggles with text. It shows the frontier, though, what's coming.
So with all these tools popping up and getting better, how do you actually maximize output? How do you use this strategically?
I think the key is bulk content creation. Leverage the AI when you feel creative.
Meaning?
AI speeds things up massively, right? But the core idea, the spark, that's still you. So when you're in that zone, use AI to batch work. Create a whole load of content, build a backlog.
So you can post consistently later.
Exactly. Work smarter. Use the AI as an accelerator for your own creativity, your ingenuity.
That's a really solid strategy.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's recap this deep dive. We've gone from vibe coding apps and creating visuals to mastering prompts, seeing real-world solutions like Hervana and the Lifestyle app, and looked at this whole evolving ecosystem.
And from LLM Arena to Google Flow.
It really feels like AI is becoming way more accessible for anyone, really.
It absolutely is.
Yeah.
These aren't just tools for giant tech companies anymore. They're for you. If you have an idea or a problem to solve, you can turn concepts into reality much, much faster.
Which leads to maybe a final thought. As these tools get better and better, maybe the most essential skill isn't just using them, but mastering the art of asking, knowing what questions to pose, what's actually worth building with all this power.
Absolutely. That human element, the strategy, the vision, knowing what prompt to give it, that's still paramount.
Yeah.
Critically important.
So if you're ready to master that art of asking, ready to apply AI right now, check out adamaexpert.com. Again, AIXPAAT.com. Adam Graybar's live AI night classes, Wednesdays, 8 p.m. EST.
Great place to learn and connect.
Yeah, email adamaexpert@gmail.com to join that community. Seriously, don't just watch the AI revolution happen. Be part of it.